Welcome my channel. Look at the question. In the isosceles right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. It is the median on BC and right AB BC is equal to A. If B perpendicular on AD intersecting AC at E and EF perpendicular BC at F, then EF is four option here: A by 3, A by 2, 2A by 3 and 2A by 5. About this question, look at the figure. Isosceles right angle triangle. ABC. ABC isosceles right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. AD is the median on BC. AD is the median on BC. And also write AB BC is equal to A. AB is equal to BC is equal to A. Means ABA BCA BD is equal to, therefore BD is equal to BC by 2 and A by 2. Now AB by BD, AB by BD is equal to AB A and BD value A by 2 is equal to 2. So AB by BD is equal to 2. Next, BE. A BE perpendicular on AD. BE perpendicular on AD intersecting AC at E. Suppose perpendicular point let G. EF also perpendicular on BC. F on BC. Then EF is equal to 4 option. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. So angle C is equal to 45 degree. Because this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. C also 45 degree. And EF perpendicular BC, so this is 90, this is also FEC. FEC angle also 45 degree. So EF is equal to FC. Therefore, EF is equal to FC. Now, from the figure ABD triangle, ABD similar triangle BEF. ABD and BEF are similar triangle because ABD angle is equal to BFE angle. BFE angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. And BAD angle, BAD angle is equal to EBF angle, EBF angle. Also rest angle ABD, ABD is equal to BEF, BEF angle. Okay. Look at this BAD angle, BAD. This angle and this angle equal because BAG, BAG angle plus ABG, ABG angle is equal to 90 because this is 90 degree. So sum of this angle and this angle also 90 degree, and ABG angle plus GBD angle 90 degree because given. So BAG angle plus ABG is equal to ABG plus GBD. The ABG cut. So BAG angle is equal to GBD. Also BAG means BAD angle. BAD angle is equal to EBF angle. Okay. BAD angle is equal to EBF angle. So ABD triangle and BEF triangle are similar. So AB angle D are rest angle F equal. So opposite side of angle D, AB by BF is equal to BD by EF, or AB by BD, or AB by BD is equal to BF by EF. AB by BD means 2. So AB by BD 2, after putting 2, BF by EF is equal to 2, or BF is equal to 2EF. If BF is equal to cross multiply 2EF, or BF is equal to 2FC because EF is equal to FC. So BF is equal to 2FC. Now BC is equal to A, or BC means BF plus FC. BF plus FC is equal to A, or BF means 2FC. So BF means 2FC plus FC is equal to A, or 3FC. 3FC is equal to A. Therefore FC is equal to A by 3. And FC means EF. FC means EF. Therefore, EF is equal to A by 3. This is answer. So option 1. Clear?